Hey, what's up, everyone? You ever find yourself scrolling through your feed, just completely baffled, wondering how some creators pump out viral videos every single day? Well, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. It's not some huge production team. It's a super powerful AI copilot. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how AI can help you create amazing social media content and do it fast. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Make viral TikToks in 5 minutes. That sounds completely insane, right? Like, no way. But you know what? That is the actual promise of this new wave of AI tools. And in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you can make that bold statement your new reality. So the real trick here is to shift your mindset. Don't think of AI as just some simple tool. Think of it as your own personal content engine, or maybe like a creative co-pilot, right? It's here to do all the heavy lifting for you across the entire creative process. And that process, well, it really boils down to 4 essential pillars. And here they are. This is basically our roadmap for today. First, we're going to tackle the script, because that's the foundation of any great video. Then, we'll get into generating some absolutely stunning visuals to bring that script to life. And finally, we'll add that professional polish with a good voiceover and some music. So let's dive right into pillar number 1. You know, every single viral video out there starts with one thing, a powerful idea, written down in a script. But let's be real, this is usually the hardest part. It's that moment you're just staring at a blank page, the cursor blinking at you. Torture, right? Well, with AI, that whole experience is about to change. Big time. I mean, we've all been there. The old way, it's just hours of brainstorming, writer's block, and basically just guessing what might work. But the AI way? Well, as you can see, it completely flips that on its head. It turns that struggle into a nonstop stream of instant ideas, countless hooks to grab attention, and topics that are actually based on what's trending right now. It's a game changer. But here's the thing. The real secret sauce is knowing how to talk to these AI tools, how to prompt them. So instead of just saying, hey, write me a script, you get specific. Tell it to start with a shocking statistic or ask a controversial question. Demand that it keeps the language punchy and under 60 seconds, perfect for platforms like TikTok. And here's the big one. Never, ever settle for the first thing it gives you. Ask for 5 different versions. Ask for a funny one, a serious one, an inspirational one. You mix and match, and that's how you find the gold. All right, so you've got a killer script. Awesome. But let's face it, a great script isn't much without some compelling visuals to go with it. And in the past, that meant shelling out for expensive stock footage or spending hours filming. Not anymore. So let's move on to our second pillar, actually bringing your story to life visually. The magic behind all this is something called generative AI. And honestly, it sounds more complicated than it is. All you have to do is just describe what you want to see. Just type it out in plain English, something like an astronaut riding a horse on the moon, but make it look like a real photo. You hit enter, and the AI literally creates it from scratch for you. It's that simple. And this is where things get really fun, because your options are practically endless. It doesn't matter what you need. Maybe it's a cool animated avatar, or custom stock video clips made from just a text prompt, or even just some dynamic text overlays or abstract backgrounds for your video. The AI can generate all of these for you. The best part? You don't need a camera, you don't need any design skills at all. Okay, let's take a step back. We have our script, we have our visuals. We are so close. But to really truly grab an audience's attention and hold it, we need sound. So let's talk about the last 2 pillars of our content engine, adding that professional voice and music. This really lays it all out, doesn't it? With AI voiceovers, you can get a crystal clear narration in pretty much any style you can think of. Energetic, calm, mysterious, you name it. And for the music? Well, AI can generate a literally endless supply of royalty-free tracks that are perfectly matched to the mood of your video, whether you're going for something epic or inspiring or just plain funny. And hey, let me give you a little pro tip here to make your content sound super polished. Layer your audio. Seriously, don't just have one or the other. You want to use a nice, clean AI voiceover for your script, and then just tuck a subtle, mood-setting music track right underneath it. It's a simple little trick, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. So there you have it. The script, the visuals, the voice, and the music, the whole shebang, all powered by AI. We've just walked through the entire workflow, all the way from that scary blank page to a fully finished video. Now the only thing left to do is for you to actually start creating. So if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this. You now have the complete AI toolkit. You get the 4 pillars, and you know how AI can be your creative partner for every single one. That barrier to entry, the one that kept people from making high quality, engaging, and potentially viral content, it's gone. Officially. And that really just brings us to our final thought. The technology is here. It's ready. Your AI co-creator is literally sitting there just waiting for your instructions. So the only real question left is, what amazing thing are you going to make first?